let's face it, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and bigger altcoins are not performing. That's why today we're talking about meme coins and especially meme coin trading bots, because surprisingly, meme coins are really performing well. There's lots of runners, 100x, 20x, all these crazy projects are still here. And of course, with all this concentration right now in meme coins, it's really important to select the best tools, the best bots. That's why today we are talking about one of the OG trading bots called Banana Gun, because they just upgraded their bot with additional features, additional chains, additional utilities. But before we dig deeper, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. It's purely for educational purposes. I don't recommend buying any crypto tokens. So as I mentioned, today we are talking about Banana Gun trading bot, which is one of the OG bots. It has been for a long time. It started on Telegram and now it's leading the way with features and utilities in the trading bot space for meme coins and bigger projects. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this bot, how to set it up, how it's different, how to actually buy the tokens, how to analyze tokens, and overall about the meme coin market and why I chose to use this bot personally. So first of all, if you want to start using this bot, you can find the link in the description. If you use my link, of course, you're helping my channel at no cost for you and usually get some discounts on fees and cashbacks. So once you click the link in the description and top comment, you have to do a really simple sign up process and you will have this window. You can see we have buttons like wallet, trade, trenches, orders, and rewards. It's really simple. If you haven't used any other bots, it's going to be a really simple tutorial still. If you used other bots, it's pretty similar, but they have some additional features. So first of all, I'm doing this video about Banana Gun because it's not my first video, because they announced this big update last week. They added BNB chain, and this is actually a big move if you jump in back. Right now, they have multiple chains. We have BNB, we have Solana, of course, we have Ethereum, and we have Base. And this is really important because meme coins are moving between chains. There's multi-chain meme coins. Lots of meme coins launch on Solana, and then they have lots of really successful copies on Ethereum and BNB. That's why it's really important to be on all the chains at the same time. And Banana Gun allows you to basically do this thing. So first of all, when we sign up using my link, of course, we have to add some funds to our wallets. To do that, it's really simple. We have the button wallets. Right here, select what kind of chains do you want to use. For this video, let's use the newly added BNB chain. After that, you can create multiple wallets. You can click add wallets and generate as many wallets as you want. For this example, we have one wallet. You can actually send funds by clicking send. And also, let's click wallets. You can also receive funds by copying the address and sending BNB to this wallet. Really simple process, just like using any decentralized wallet. After you have some funds, for this example, we have $6. BNB is also performing, I would say, medium. We have buttons trade and trenches. Usually I start my way on trenches because this is basically where the money is made, where you can find all the latest and greatest and also scams in one place. So first of all, we have free tabs. We have new deploys, basically tokens that have been launched just now, like this moment. Next up, we have close to migrations. These are tokens close to graduating, migrating. There's lots of different words, basically reaching the bonding curve. And lastly, we have new pairs. These will be bigger tokens after the bonding curve. Really simple and familiar if you used other bots. But again, Banana Gun has all the basics, and they have more, basics plus. So first of all, with all of these tabs, you can actually modify them. If you click right here, you can select what you want to see. For example, in new deploys, in closed migration, in new peers. For example, you can select all the different protocols. So you can uncheck all. And for example, if you want to only go for 4 meme tokens, you can click 4 meme and you will only see new deploys on this protocol. Let's check back all, because usually I do prefer to see everything in one view. This is basically where you get all the tokens, all the trends. You can actually see what's trending. For example, we have lots of yellow, so you can actually see maybe something with yellow logo or BNB or Binance is or Bybit is trending right now, because you can see now we have these Chinese words which are performing. You can find some new tokens, you can find some medium tokens, and we have also tokens at 90K. So you can see something's happening with this trend. I haven't been following today, but you can see something is happening. So this is one of the ways you can actually start hunting the trends and finding all of these new runners really early. Just basically check the window, see what's happening, what is the trend, Elon Musk, the tweets, SpaceX, what's Jeffrey Epstein, whatever, what's happening, and then look for them in the new deploys. After that, of course, we have lots of safety features. You can see under that green and red. So if you hover on them, let's go for a bigger token. You can see all the information. So first of all, you can see how many holders the token has. Next up, you can see percentage of supply held by developers. So basically with this token, developers sold. Next up, percentage of supply held by bundle wallets. So percentage of supply held by the sniper wallets, and percentage of supply held by top 10 wallets. After that, you can see the market cap, you can see the volumes. Also, really cool feature, if you hover right here, you can see how this idea was born. So you can see actually CZ posted something about winning, and this is how winning became here. And I think, yeah, you can see with Elon Musk, you can see again winning. So basically, yeah, now tokens with winning and CZ are performing pretty well. You can actually start looking for some gems. You can also see some of the lower quality projects. For example, if you hover and it's red, you can see how much developer is holding. And you can actually filter the projects by these safety and security settings. For example, if you click right here, you can see, you can actually input what you want to see. So for example, if you only want to see projects with a market cap of, for example, 60,000. You can see right now, you can only see that many projects. Again, you can see how the project was born, what was the idea. So you can see not that many projects right now, but still we have plenty of runners. Again, really cool because you can filter by anything, by liquidity, holders, insiders. For example, let's click on this token because we see it all over. And this one is actually performing pretty well. Lots of green, lots of holders. You can see all the transactions of the token. You can see your positions. If you want to buy, it's really easy. Buy, sell. Right here, you can also do limit orders. So basically, at what limit do you want to buy or sell the tokens? We also, in the future, will have sniping because Banana Gun is actually famous for sniping features. You can also track different wallets on the left. Next up, right here, we have the watch list. This is the place where you can put in different tokens and actually check them out through the day and see maybe something pops off or maybe something dumps and buy or sell. Also, if you want to have these tabs in the different layout, you can click this layout and actually change the layout to whatever you like. Right now we have a default. You can also add different buttons. For example, you can add bubble maps. So again, you can make it your own. For example, you have 2 screens or maybe 3 screens, 2 chains. You can have whatever layout you want. For example, if you don't want to see wallet tracker, you can remove it and you can actually add, for example, token info right here. Or let's have something better. Let's go top holders. So now you can see the top holders and you can actually now add a wallet tracker. So you can see top holders, copy the wallet and paste it wallet to the tracker, BNB, track wallets. And now you're tracking different wallets. You can see what these wallets are doing. Again, really amazing feature because now you see the token, you can see what the top traders are doing, you can see all the transactions, you can see all the safety features, and you can move them around to make it your own. Again, you get all the information all in one place. And I think it's really simplified for all levels of traders. If you go back to the trenches, we also have different quick buy features. For example, right here, you can input how much do you want to buy right here with these buttons. For example, if you see something really interesting and just launched, you can click right here and buy it instantly. Also, we have presets for the speed of buys. We have normal, fast, and insane. You can actually make it your own. You can select what kind of chain and what kind of settings do you want to have for it. I think right now you can use the default because, yeah, the volumes are okay, but they're not crazy. We don't have these tokens like pumping like insanely, so you don't have to go too crazy. I think normal is enough unless you're going for some pre-sale tokens that are just launching. Next up, you will see all your orders right here. And if you use my link, you're also getting different rewards. So you can see right here, you can share your links with your friends. You get different benefits, different rewards, different referrals. So again, this bot has lots of different features and they're adding more constantly. So I think right now I covered like 80-90%. I plan to do update video, maybe show you some of my trades. But again, this is what I'm using right now because it's really simplified. And the main thing I really like, it's the chains because we have all the most popular chains all in one place. Let's go Solana. And now we have all Solana tokens. You can again go here. Again, all the same features, all the same utilities, and again, all the same opportunities. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and you can also find all the links in the description. See you next time.